Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing, guys? So I'm getting comments now, and I'm trying to answer. Guys, I always answer my comments. Well, I try my best to, right? And people saying like some of the builds that I'm showing they're not working, they're not installing, etc. So yesterday was the day, the 12th of February was the day they're supposed to have done their maintenance. But if you guys remember last week, they had problems with they're called so-called mirrors. People weren't able to log on to the Kodi repository. People weren't able to go to to download the actual Kodi apps themselves. And apparently, I've just seen that these mirrors is not is not controlled by Kodi themselves. So the maintenance that happened yesterday has nothing to do with these mirrors. That's gone. It's a different issue, which it was an issue last week, wasn't it? So they're waiting for the owners to fix whatever's wrong with them, and that's that. That's all what Kodi is saying. So yeah. So like people were announcing before, if you've got a build, don't uninstall it, because it will still work. But of course, if you're trying to install a new build now, then you're messed up. And many of us, or many of you guys, should have more than one build installed on your device, or have a build there, and on your official Kodi app probably, and just use Kodi forks to test that different builds. Anyway, that's the latest information that I've got. Yeah, the mirrors, the so-called mirrors, which I guess is, I don't know, servers or whatever that's hosting stuff. They're messed up. And it's not under their control. So hopefully it'll be fixed. Once fixed, then we're all good to go. It's weird, isn't it? Something like this happens, and it's like proper murder she wrote. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.